Hi, my name is Rich, WB5YBZ, and today we're going to be talking about the LDG AT1000 Pro 2 antenna tuner. Now, I've been using this a couple years. It's been working great. It has a maximum power that you can run with it is 1,000 watts sideband. That's sideband, 1,000 watts, and that's 10 through 160 meters. On CW, radial teletype, the digital modes, it's good up to 500 watts. Now on 6 meters, it's good for 250 watts with any mode. I've been really using this on a 80 meter full wave loop, 10 through 80 meters. It works great getting the SWR down just with one button. Sure appreciate you watching my videos. If you could like it, and also subscribe, it helps me out a whole bunch, and hopefully we'll put some more informative videos about ham radio, and also my other hobby is metal detecting. So let's go on over to the LDG antenna tuner and the 7300, and let me just show you how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Okay, I have listened for a while, haven't heard anyone, and so I'm going to check and see if the frequency is in use. I'm also going to check just check and see if the frequency is in use. Let's see. This is WB5YBZ. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? Nothing heard. This is WB5YBZ. It'll be testing for just a little bit with my antenna tuner. Okay, I like to do that just to check to make sure the frequency is clear. And let's go on over to the antenna tuner. 10 meters, 28 megahertz. Let's see what it is with power. It's down to 1.1, I guess, and up here it's not even moving, which isn't bad. As you can see, it works pretty good on 10 meters. Let me just check here real quick. Or sign off here, so to speak. This is WB5YBZ finished testing. Thank you very much. WB5YBZ testing clear. Okay, we're on 12 meg. I'm sorry, I mean 12 meters, 24 megahertz. Sorry about that. And let's see how we did here. Now, isn't this interesting? About 1.3 here and about 1.3 here, maybe 1.4. All right, 15 meters or 21.446 megahertz. I'll tune it. Let's see what kind of SWR. Down here again, it's not showing any SWR, but our radio send, we have 1.3 SWR. 18 megahertz or 17 meters. Let's see how well it did. Now, isn't it amazing? It doesn't show any SWR on the bottom scale here. But up here it's showing that it's probably about 1.3, I'm guessing, because that's 1.5. So I'm guessing that's about 1.3. 20 meters. We're going to try it now. Let's see what we did here. And it looks like 1.5 to 1. And up here it's 1.5 to 1. Let's do a major tune here and see what happens. I have to hold it in until the two get together like that. Now let's see what it does on the SWR. It's about 1.1 here and about 1. Maybe 1 there. On 10 megahertz. Alright, we're going to just hit transmit. I guess it does pretty good. It's hardly moving here, and down here it's not showing anything. So it tuned pretty well on 10 megahertz. All right, 40 meters, we're gonna try this. Let's see what kind of SWR we have. Looks like a 1.1 here, and up here is about the same. Now it's fluctuating because we have about 35 mile an hour, 40 mile an hour gust of wind, and that's the old antenna swaying a little bit. I have a lot of static on 80 meters, as you can see, but we're going to use one or two things. Now, when I use the antenna tuner for the 7300, it's hooked up to the LDG antenna tuner. Also, a Yaesu, you have a cable from it as well that goes into the LDG. So when you hit tune, it's only like 25 watts or less when it's tuning up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit tune, and we'll see what the results might be. All right, if I hit, and I'm going to just go with 100 watts. And you can see both down here it's about 1.5, over here it's about 1.7. I'm going to move over a little bit so you can see this a little bit better. Now I'm going to hit sort of a master tune, which is this tune button here, and let's see what it does. Okay, now it's about 1.3 here and about 1.3 here. So it really, the master tune sometimes does a little bit better than just hitting the tune button. Well, there you have it. I love my LDG AT1000 Pro 2. It takes about 10 watts when you hit the tune button on the 7300. It's using about 10 watts of power when you're hitting the antenna tuner. And another thing is, if you want to turn down the power and maybe tweak adjustments on the capacitance or inductance, that's a C up or C down, L up or L down. And sometimes you can even peak it out a little bit more manually, but you probably want to turn down the power a little bit to play with it. Other than that, thanks so much for watching. If you would subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It helps me out, and also like the video. And hopefully we'll have some more videos before too long. 73.